How to send a blank message in WhatsApp. Now for this, you're gonna have to go online and search for invisible characters. So what I'm gonna do is go to Chrome and search for invisible character. Open this edit pad right here and click copy the link. After this, you can go to your WhatsApp and simply paste the invisible character here. And there you go. Now you can also do this on the desktop version. Let's open up a new tab real quick and search for invisible character. You can also use this one right here. Now let's paste this. And there you go. Now I can paste this multiple times and then it'll be a bigger blob of a message. And there you go. That's how to add blank messages in WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.